Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro. Fuerzas Armadas Marítimas y Fuerzas Aéreas Argentinas advierten ataque nuclear. Fuerzas Armadas Marítimas y Fuerzas Aéreas advierten ataque nuclear. Manténgase en un lugar seguro, repito, manténgase en un lugar seguro, la programación no volverá a darse hasta nuevo aviso. Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro. Fuerzas Armadas Marítimas y Fuerzas Aéreas Argentinas advierten ataque nuclear. Fuerzas Armadas Marítimas y Fuerzas Aéreas advierten ataque nuclear. Manténgase en un lugar seguro, repito, manténgase en un lugar seguro, la programación no volverá a darse hasta nuevo aviso.
The programs in this channel have been cancelled due to an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. This is an emergency broadcast from Her Majesty's Government and the Parliament. PM David Cameron has been shot dead in Downing Street. As of now, we don't have much information. Also, Her Majesty's will perform a speech to the people at 3 o'clock. Programming has been suspended and will not return until 3 o'clock.
The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is currently under threat due to a nuclear attack from the Scottish Free League to the following cities: London. You are recommended to take cover now or evacuate the area. You are not recommended to go outside. You are recommended to go to a fallout shelter and bring a radio, food, medicine, and water to the shelter. The nuclear bombs may hit in 1 hour. Broadcasting will cease. We will provide emergency updates.